keep doing some left turns.
Yeah.
And keep checking the left minute.
Okay. Now.
Maybe not just turns, but maybe
anything
that's regarding using that minute.
Now, the way to remedy this. Why did I do that?
To get away from the van.
Safety.
Yeah. Get out of danger.
100%.
He could have moved over.
Lowered risk. We were right in his blind spot area, weren't we?
You've got no windows at the back.
Exactly.
I've done it a few times myself. Put my foot down when I've been by a lorry or a van or anything, just to get out of the danger zone.
100%. Sometimes.
Plus, that was nice to see this fly like that a bit.
And sometimes people, what they'll do, they'll say, "Well, you could have slowed down there." What? And then invite the next person to overtake me, just as the van's then pulling to the left.
Exactly.
And then involves me in the crash as well. Get a grip.
Exactly.
Sometimes speed fixes the scenario, it fixes the situation.
Yeah, it gets you out of danger.
It's really important to use.
Yeah.
And people haven't got a clue. They really haven't. All right.
Where do you think? Oh no, but as you say, to get yourself out of danger,
Clear the danger.
you need
sometimes.
to. Yeah.
Don't sit in someone's blind spot.
Never.
All right. Perfect.